boys and girls, Teacher Caddy is here once again. And I am back to check on you on this couple of days before the first day of school. I hope that everybody had a fabulous, exciting, and rejuvenating summer break as we approach this coming school year. Maybe some of you are still consuming the few remaining of summer at the beach, or you're still visiting your grandparents and other relatives from other states. Or perhaps you are part of those people at the stores right now who are getting ready to buy your school supply list with your parents. Well, anyways, how do you feel right now? Are you getting excited to be back at school? Do you feel like summer break is not long enough? Or do you feel so scared to be back at school? Whatever is in your mind and how you feel right now, I think all of those countless reasons are just in your mind, like this girl in the story that I will be sharing to you today. She is none other than May. As I read the story, I want my boys and girls to get ready with their paper and pencil, and I want you to list down some of the characters in the story. You have to describe their character traits and find for some evidences why that character trait fits to that person in the story. I also want you to know, how do you think May feels about school? Now, are you ready to put your listening ears, your wondering eyes, and heart to the story of May? Well, if that's so, let's begin the story. The title of the story is May, First Day of School. Words and Pictures by Kate Berube. May's First Day of School. Words and Pictures by Kate Berube. Today is May's first day of school. When her mother said, "It's time to get dressed." Look, what's happening to May? This is one of the important things that you have to do, boys and girls. Check out how the characters are behaving in the story. May said, "I'm not going." When her father said, "Eat your breakfast," May said, "I'm not going." And when her mother said, "Put on your coat," May said, "I'm not going." "Now, May, that's enough," said her mother. And boys and girls, what's going on to the families? It's the best time for you to jot down whatever is your observation from the story. On the walk to school, her mother told her all of the fun things that she would find there. Things like class pets and great big libraries and long wild recesses. On the walk to school, May thought about all the things that could go wrong. Things like, what if the other kids didn't like her? And what if she was the only one who didn't know how to write? And what if she missed her mother? When they get to school, there were lots of other parents and kids outside. May's mother said, "Hello, how are you? Today is May's very first day of school. And what a beautiful day it is." "Well, it isn't that wonderful," said a man. "But where is May?" "May," called her mother. "Where are you?" And May answered, "I'm not going." May wondered if she could live in this tree. She thought maybe she could. There was a mossy spot she could sleep on, and she had a whole lunchbox full of food to eat. Then May heard something rustling. Hello, said the small girl. Hello, said May. Rosie, come down from that tree right now. School is starting soon, called the man from down below. I'm not going to school, said Rosie. Me neither, said May. Would you like a cookie? Today is May and Rosie's first day of school, but they are not going. Why aren't you going to school? Asked May. Well, said Rosie, I'm not going because what if no one will play with me? Or what if I have to read? I don't know how. Or what if I miss my dad? Just then they heard the rustling sound of someone else coming up. Hello, said a tall lady. Hello, said May quietly. We're not going to school. That's good, said a tall lady. I'm not going to school either. And she settled comfortably in a spot on the bottom branch and gazed out through the leaves. Who are you? Asked Rosie. I'm Miss Pearl, said a tall lady. Would you like a cookie, Miss Pearl? Asked May. Oh, yes, please, said Miss Pearl. Miss Pearl, why aren't you going to school? Asked May. Well, she answered, I'm not going because what if the kids don't like me? Or what if I forgot how to spell Tuesday? I'm not sure. Or what if I miss my cat? Today is May and Rosie and Miss Pearl's first day of school. But they are not going. May smiled at Miss Pearl and Rosie. You know what? We are all afraid of the same thing. I'm glad I'm not the only one. Me too, said Rosie. And you know what else? You don't have to be worried about nobody else liking you because I like you both. Me too, said Miss Pearl. And you don't have to be worried about making mistakes when you're reading and writing. School is for learning new things. And if we live in this tree, we'd miss our families anyway, said May. Plus, we're out of cookies, said Rosie. A few minutes later, May's mother called up. School is about to start. And May said, Okay, here we come. Today is May and Rosie and Miss Pearl's first day of school. And there they go. May's first day of school. Words and Pictures by Kate Berube. The end.